6th of July 2021 we have Tuomiokirkonkatu, which will be in Swedish, building 7 to 9 staircase here in Tampere, Finland. And this is amazing. Another original ValmetSchlieren elevator with a window, no gated up. But amazing. There's these 4 sport 325 grams built in 1978. Turned 40 years old in 2018. Excuse me. The serial number is VS5373. It's going to be inspected in 2023. The 6 was here. And it has memory.
Siis asuntosketti ja postikeskus.
Also because former postal office is near here.
Yeah.
Maybe also this was built also for postal workers.
Yeah. Expected by Kiwais and maintained by Schiller.
This is still in good shape.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for watching, and let's see if we will get into this XSPC and later. No problem.
That's